Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID tied to the device and the recovery contact. This matters because Apple uses that to verify you. Next, plug the iPhone into power and a computer. Make sure Wi-Fi or internet is active on the computer. Open Finder on Mac OS Catalina and later, or iTunes on older Mac OS and Windows. Once done, put the iPhone into recovery mode so the computer can see it. You do this differently by model, and that step forces a restore pathway. You now perform the core action, recovery mode plus restore. First, use the precise button sequence for your iPhone model to enter recovery mode. Hold the side and volume buttons or home as required because timing matters. When Finder or iTunes detects the device, choose Restore, not Update, to remove the passcode. This reinstalls iOS and erases data. Wait through the download and restore. Make sure the computer stays connected. Once complete, you'll see the iPhone restart and begin setup. Finish by following on-screen setup, sign in with your Apple ID to clear activation lock, and restore a backup if you have one, iCloud or a local backup in Finder/iTunes. If the device still asks for someone else's credentials, check activation lock status and confirm you used the correct Apple ID. If the restore fails or the computer won't recognize the phone, put the device into DFU mode and retry. Or contact Apple support for proof of purchase help. That usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.